The Samsung Group is one of the largest multinational conglomerates in South Korea, encompassing multiple fields such as electronics, finance, machinery, chemistry, and construction. The group's headquarters is located in Seoul, South Korea, and it was founded in 1938 by Lee Byung-chul. After more than 80 years of development, Samsung has grown into one of the most influential technology and manufacturing giants globally, especially taking a leading position in the electronics industry. Among them, Samsung Electronics is the most important subsidiary of the Samsung Group and the brand that global consumers are most familiar with. Samsung Electronics is a leading global manufacturer of smartphones, semiconductors, display screens, and home appliances, with its market share consistently ranking among the top 4 years. In addition, Samsung is also involved in fields such as finance, healthcare, heavy industry, and real estate, forming a huge corporate ecosystem. Samsung was first established in 1938 and initially was a company mainly engaged in export trade, dealing mainly in commodities such as food, sugar, dried fish, and flour. In the 1940s, Samsung began to step into the textile and insurance industries, gradually expanding its business scope. In the 1950s, with the rapid development of the South Korean economy, Samsung further expanded and entered industries such as banking, securities, and chemicals, laying the foundation for its group-oriented development. In the 1960s, Samsung began to engage in the electronics industry, and in 1969, Samsung Electronics was established. At first, Samsung Electronics mainly produced black and white televisions, home appliances, and electronic components. In the 1970s, Samsung started to independently develop high-tech products such as semiconductors and communication equipment, laying the foundation for its future leadership in the electronics industry. In the 1980s, Samsung Electronics entered the fields of computers, mobile communications, and home appliances, and gradually expanded its international market. In 1993, Lee Kun-hee, then chairman of the Samsung Group, proposed a new management strategy, emphasizing quality management and technological innovation, and driving Samsung's transformation into an international enterprise. In the 1990s, Samsung rapidly rose in fields such as semiconductors and liquid crystal displays (LCDs), becoming one of the leading global technology companies. Entering the 21st century, Samsung Electronics has become a leader in the global markets for smartphones, semiconductors, home appliances, and televisions. The launch of the Galaxy series of smartphones has enabled Samsung to dominate the global smartphone market. At the same time, Samsung has continuously innovated in areas such as memory chips, OLED displays, and 5G communications, consolidating its leading position in the industry. In recent years, Samsung has actively laid out in cutting-edge technology fields such as artificial intelligence, AI, quantum computing, the metaverse, and autonomous driving, promoting the enterprise to move towards a higher technological level. Samsung Electronics is one of the largest smartphone manufacturers globally, and its Galaxy series of mobile phones covers multiple markets ranging from high-end flagships such as the Galaxy S and Galaxy Z Fold series to mid-range and entry-level models such as the Galaxy A series. Samsung's foldable smartphones, 5G, mobile phones, and camera technology are at the forefront of the industry. Samsung is a leader in the global semiconductor market, and its main products include memory chips, DRAM, NAND flash, used in fields such as smartphones, servers, and cloud computing. System-on-a-chip SoCs such as the Exynos processor, competing with Qualcomm and Apple. Image sensors. Samsung is the world's second largest image sensor supplier after Sony, mainly applied to smartphone cameras. Samsung is the world's largest manufacturer of OLED display screens, and its flexible OLED screens are widely used in devices such as smartphones, including Apple iPhones, televisions, and laptops. Samsung's micro-LED and QD-OLED technologies are also at the forefront of the industry. Samsung TVs have ranked first in global market share for consecutive years, and high-end products such as QLED and 8K TVs are popular among consumers. In addition, Samsung also has strong market competitiveness in home appliances such as refrigerators, washing machines, and air conditioners. Samsung is also involved in multiple fields such as construction, such as Samsung C&T Corporation, healthcare such as Samsung Biologics, and finance such as Samsung Life Insurance, forming a huge business system. Samsung invests more than 10% of its revenue in research and development every year and has more than 100,000 R&D personnel globally, driving technological innovation in fields such as semiconductors, smartphones, and AI. Samsung not only manufactures end devices but also masters core components such as chips and display screens, having a huge advantage in supply chain integration, which can reduce production costs and improve market competitiveness. The brand value of Samsung has long ranked among the top globally, and it has a strong influence in Asian, European, and North American markets, and its brand value firmly ranks among the top 5 globally. The Sino-US technology war and South Korea's trade relations with other countries may affect the supply chain and market expansion. Export restrictions on semiconductor equipment and materials by the United States and Japan may affect Samsung's chip production. Technological changes such as AI, quantum computing, 6G communication, and new chip architectures are rapid, and Samsung needs to continuously innovate to maintain its leading position. In the future, Samsung will focus on laying out in fields such as artificial intelligence, 6G communication, autonomous driving, and cloud computing, promoting industrial upgrading. Samsung plans to invest more than $200 billion before 2030 to challenge TSMC's dominant position in the chip foundry market by means of environmentally friendly manufacturing, reducing carbon emissions, and circular economy. It can enhance the enterprise's social responsibility. As a leading global technology giant, the Samsung Group has significant advantages in fields such as smartphones, semiconductors, display technology, and home appliances. With its strong R&D capabilities, global supply chain integration, and brand influence, Samsung occupies an important position in the global market. However, facing fierce market competition and rapidly changing technological trends, Samsung still needs to continuously innovate to maintain its leading position in the industry. In the future, Samsung will increase its investment in cutting-edge technology fields such as AI semiconductors and 6G communication, driving the enterprise towards a higher level of development.